So hello everyone, another problem solving, which is number five. So problem number five: find the consecutive odd numbers such that the smaller numbers exceeds the larger number by one. So let smaller is equals to x, and then i-trace mo daw siya. So minus 3x, and then larger is x plus 2. Ga-exceed siya og 12. So x, then ato lang siyang i-equate. 3x is equals to x plus 14. Yan siya. And then, uh, i kuha na nato, itabok na nato ng x. So, may mong 3x minus x, 14. And then, cancel na siya, ay minus. So, 2x na mga bilhin, 14. Divide both sides by 2. Yan na siya, 7. 7 is the smaller the other odd numbers, which is the smaller. So ang ato mang larger is x plus 2. Ang larger. So larger is equals to 7 plus 2 is equals to 9. So ang atong answer, ang consecutive odd numbers is 7 and 9. So which is 7.